Welcome to our tutorial on account alerts in online banking. Learn how to set up and customize your account alerts. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. To get started, visit SchoolsFirst FCU.org and log in to online banking. In the upper right-hand corner of your screen, under your name and member number, select the downward-facing arrow and click Account Alerts. If you're not registered to receive account alerts, you'll be asked to register. Review and accept the Account Alerts Terms of Service. Then click Register for Alerts. Here, you'll see your account alerts. You can personalize your alerts for each account. To customize your alerts, select the account to view the alert options. You can set an alert based on the amount of money spent in a transaction. You'll also have the option to select if you want to receive your alerts by email, SMS text, or both. Once you select your alert criteria, you'll see a message confirming that your account alert is now activated. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.